Good morning, everybody. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. What up, what up, what up? We will start in 7 minutes. See you in a bit. Like up the stream. Good morning, guys. To those who just joined, please make sure to like up the stream, to make sure that you have written a question or comment or anything in the chat box. All right, I will see you guys in 4 minutes. Good morning to those who joined. We are starting in 2 minutes. Get the questions in. Put them in. Put them in, put them in, put them in. Get to everybody's question. If you've posted, I see it. If you haven't, I don't see it. Simple. Like up the stream. We have 40 likes, 40 people, 18 likes. Half of you. Come on. All right, good morning, everybody. We are starting the stream. Everybody, retweet the stream. Everybody, get everyone in here. Let's get the whole of FinTwit in the stream today. Let me just repost this, retweet it. All right, everybody that has posted their questions, get them in. If you haven't, do it. Do it. Cost you $0 hairs. Right, let's go. Don't force a trade in a slow market. Don't get bagged. Listen to Master Totes. Do not trade in a slow market. Feel like I need to have those words on repeat. Yes, put it on your phone background. Good morning. TC is low volume for now. What is TC? TC is, yes, low volume. Nothing on this. Nothing. I don't know how to chart this. It's difficult. Good morning. Watching ACET. What up? ACET. No, nothing on this. Maybe above 122. A candle close above on the 5-minute time frame. This is the 5-minute time frame here and here. You can see it at the bottom left and the top left of the page. We then draw the purple line like this, and then we need the candle body to close above. This is our candle body in yellow. Then we have a wick like this. If the candle body closes above, we take the trade. If the candle body doesn't do it, rejects like this, then we don't take the trade. Cool, got it? Nice. ACET. ACET, no entries unless 121 break above. Okay. Good morning, good afternoon, traders. What up, Fig? What up, what up, what up? Add move yesterday, 1 hour before closing market. ADD. 4-hour time frame is getting there. You are getting there. I would say 160. 160. All right, 160 is here. If you get a close above 160, you can look for entries on this. Wait for 160 break to enter. You got it? Close above 160, then I would say you can enter the trade. Don't forget to like this up. Everybody like it up. We have 60 people in here and we have 27 likes. When we get to 50 likes, I will continue and answer everybody's questions. So let's get the likes up. Put your account, log in, do whatever you need to do, support the stream. All right, see you in a minute. Once we get 50 likes, I will be back. All right, let's see. Have we done it? 37 likes still. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, guys. 42. We're getting there. We're getting there. 42. 43. Slowly, slowly. Slowly, slowly. 43 still. What are the other people doing? Just log into your account. 2 seconds, 2 seconds. Takes 2 seconds, trust me. I will wait here until you do it. Goes a long way, trust me it does. So that's why I'm gonna wait. You guys show appreciation to this, then I will show appreciation towards you and continue to give you the education. We have 47, come on. You must like the stream. Don't do the emojis on the chat box. It's underneath the picture, the video. Like it up. Like it up. 47. 47. 50. Lovely. Let's carry on. Don't forget to like a stream. Slow days are my home project days. Sometimes it's healthy. Yes. If you don't like the market, just don't trade. What up, Brandon? Yes, I went fishing. Now sipping on the coffee on the bay. Living the dream, my friend. I need to make a coffee. VLCN is down 27%. So I would avoid it. Nothing on this, unfortunately. I cannot help you with this trade. It is extremely bearish. That's all I can tell you. Please talk about Fubo. Sure. Fubo is here. Fubo is 10% yesterday. Did we trade Fubo yesterday? Did. I gave this in the Discord yesterday at 452. So Fubo, what we're waiting for here is this is on 5-minute time frame. So let's look, right? So 15. I'll use 15-minute time frame because it's clear to see price action. I would say inside this range like this, right? This red box, it is no trade zone. That means you do not want to trade inside this box, okay? Because every time it keeps getting here, just rejects, 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 right? So this for me is consolidation. I don't like to trade in a range like this. For me, the best way to trade something like this is easy. If we break above a resistance, which is the 471, I like to use the candle body like this. Bear in mind, this is the 15-minute time frame, okay? It doesn't matter. I like to use this time frame for this setup because it's just clearer to see. On the 5 minutes, a little bit more choppy. The candles are just more filled on this because we have a large time frame. So with this being said, okay, we are on the 15-minute time frame. That means that if we get a candle close above 471, we will be able to take an entry because that is the highest probability setup. Then we can enter the trade. So look, candle body close above 471. Then we have high probability to continue go up. Let's look left. Okay, 471. I go to the 4 hour now to identify the big key major levels. So we can see 471 break. We have room to 521. Then we have all the way 658. And then we have probably around here, right? $6. So these are your next key levels on Fubo. So that means if we break above 471, we have clean range all the way to 521. Don't hold for those levels. Obviously, if you're bullish long term, that's different. John, I know you, I think you have a Twitter account and you post a lot about Fubo. So yeah, for this, these are just the key levels. I guess you can share this, but yeah, this is 10% from here. And then you have obviously all the way up here is 13. So it's like 23% move to this high here. Yeah, overall, the chart is bullish. We've pretty much started to push up, making high highs, high lows like this. High high, high low. There, hopefully pull back to break up. So on, right? That's what we expect. So 15-minute time frame, I would wait for 471 for any entries. I'll put this on Twitter now. So Fubo, wait for 471 break above to enter. All right. Also, please bear in mind that there is Disney news. I don't know if it's come out already, if the earnings have come out. This is going to push Fubo in whatever direction. What happens to Disney earnings, because these are linked together. All right, merger news and all that kind of stuff. Right, maybe a day of sale the rates, trading day. Yes, Totes, you're living the life. Totes is living the dream. SLXN is moving after earnings next week. SLXN, what's happening here? No, SLXN is moving down. I don't see any up. I don't see any uptrend. Yeah, right now, yeah, nothing on this, to be honest. I would say maybe you could say this is the demand zone, which it is. Last red candle for the move to the upside. However, for me, yeah, there's not enough volume. It's difficult right now. It needs to push to the in an uptrend or bullish trend so we can see that there is a reversal happening. But for now, it's still bearish. So this is SLXN. Possible reversal though. Reversal off demand zone. Demand zone is where buyers step in. I like to use the last red candle for the push to the upside. So if this breaks below, then this demand zone is no longer valid. Then this is the demand zone here. Got it? Sexy music, right? Good elevator music. I need to change it up a bit. Lumen is a former runner. What we've noticed here, we've broken our resistance. Looks great. I would say like we're still in a downtrend like that. A little bit tricky on this because the overall trend on this stock is bearish. So if we did draw a trend like that, right, it's clearer to see that we are in an overall downtrend. Personally speaking, I would wait for the downtrend to break to look for any entries. So yeah, it's still bearish. It's up 8%, but maybe this will kickstart a move to the upside. So Lumen needs downtrend break. So that means a candle body must close above the downtrend. If it doesn't close above the downtrend, then you cannot take the trade. Rejection once, twice, 3 times, and so on. ONDS. ONDS. Right. How many likes we got in here? We got 50 likes. Have we got more? Let me refresh. 59. Perfect. Keep it coming. I see everybody's questions. I'm still at the top. I'm at Brandon's question. I will get to everybody. If you've posted in the last 2-3 minutes, I do see it. Trust me, I see it. Just bear with me. I have a lot to go through. All right. So don't spam, because then I'll just mute you. ONDS needs downtrend break. Again, same thing. Downtrend break on this. Do you mainly hit pre-market and just get on Webull? Get on? No, I don't. I trade separate on a separate account on Webull. I have my main account at intraday, which I trade on. Same for me. My trading hit happy hour is 7 a.m. But the best time, in my opinion, to trade pre-market is like 7 a.m. But that's when I go for lunch, so I'm not able to trade then. Yeah, I prefer pre-market. Yeah, I mean, it's the same thing. If you can trade pre-market, it's great. Sometimes it's slow. Like today was extremely slow. I got stopped out on 3 plays, but I managed to get in 1 trade. But yeah, that was pretty much it. CYN is... Look here. CYN overall trend is extremely bearish. Now, 5-minute time frame, if you have to take an entry, it's above 0.1180. OPTT got the point break. Let's see. Yes, OPTT looks good. Finally. Here are your key levels for OPTT, since I know a lot of people are watching this one. We have this, and then we have a nice wick fill. Wick fill just means there's a high probability to come and fill this wick, because it needs to push and fill that gap area. But yeah, this is definitely a good one to watch. It's up 10%. Yesterday was up 10% as well. So yeah, keep it on watch. OPTT. Let me just add this to my watch list. OPTT right here. Add it to watch list. Cool. Got it. I trade from my phone. Yeah, so do I. Prefer it. Charting on the screen for sure though. SOU, and I've said this from the beginning, and I've said it from day one. I say it every single day, every week, every month, every year. The stock is bullish. I like it. I expect it to fill the gap. I said it over here. I said it over here, and I'll say it again. It is bullish, bullish, bullish. I expect continuation to the upside. All right, this will follow. BBAI will follow. Still very bullish. Yes, I like this play a lot. Looks fantastic. Good morning. I bought SXTP at 0.85. Should I wait a while, or when shall I sell it? So let's go through this one. SXTP bought at 0.85. So 0.85 was where you bought. Let's have a look. 0.85 is right over here. You are down 20%. So moving forward, the best thing to do is have a plan when you enter a trade, Yvonne. So what I suggest is, now that you've understood that you've got the trade wrong, to limit and manage your risk is cut your loss a lot sooner. So that means if you are down 5%, cut it. Don't hold for 20%. Don't buy more, because you don't know what will happen. I would say cut the trade. If it breaks above the downtrend here, then you can maybe look for re-entry, but don't hold for more than 5%. Stop holding for 20, 30% down. Not good. Not good at all. QQQ. QQQ, I have to do daily on this. I don't know. Difficult on this because these are kind of weird charts. I would say overall trend is bullish. You're in an uptrend, so something like this, bullish pennant. Expected continuation and breakout to the upside. I'll put this on Twitter for you. Or X. I still call it Twitter, and I will always call it Twitter. Bullish pennant on this. ACB. What's happening with ACB? ACB is weed. Weed play. Weed going? Nice. ACB's up. Lovely. Weed plays are moving. Does that mean Tilray's moving? Earnings season or what? Let's have a look here. Yep. Nice. Earnings season. Weed is moving. Nice. Here's a resistance right here. 475. Cool. Now we mark 475 and we can close above on the 4 hour. This looks fantastic for entries. Weed hasn't ran in a while. This will give good momentum to this sector overall. So hopefully this will be good to go. These usually run very, very hard. So I will show you the ones that are weed plays. All right, so let me just get these levels in 570. So we have ACB is one weed stock that runs. Okay, ACB breaking out. So ACB added to your watch list. We have ACB. Now, next one is Tilray. This is another weed play. This is up 4%. This hasn't ran in a long time as well. Expecting this to follow off ACB's earnings. Right, Tilray runs with ACB. So ACB also, there's another one. CGC, that's another weed play. That's up 11%. So you see how they're all moving together? This is fantastic. This is what you like to see. So now we need a 4 hour to close above this 228 for continuation to the upside. As we know, ACB looks like it's the top mover. So I would add that and follow that one and only trade that one today. But these are your key levels for CGC. I think there's a couple more weed plays. Yeah, I don't know all of them. CGC needs to close above 228 resistance. Yeah, so these weed plays are all moving together. Great, great, great. Cool. The CGC, ACB, you can have them together. Let's like up the stream. I see everybody's question. Please bear with me. I'm trying to go in depth as much as I can through everyone's question, all right? Everyone's asked good questions, so I'm willing to put in time to answer them. Discovered Total Living Dream. Yes, like it up. I would start a YouTube. Too lazy. Tiger hustles. Tiger giving out millions of dollars info. Millions. If I could make more than once, I would come on, guys. We would like it. Let's go. RGTI. RGTI rejected this yesterday. No close above is no entry. You get a close above on the 4 hour above 1478. You can take the trade. If you're going to enter before, you will probably reject like that again. You need confirmation. RGTI needs 1478 break and close above on the 4 hour time frame. All right. So you have to wait. RGTI, thumbs up. PLTR, this is extremely bullish chart. Very, very bullish. My prediction on this is continuation to the upside. We broke above, retest around here for push to the upside. PLTR, very nice. I think they had earnings yesterday or today or after hours or something. PLT, very, very bullish. Strong uptrend. Look at that huge move after hours. Yeah, very nice. Give us a banger for the day. Yes, I'm trying. I'm just going through all these questions. Tigers really helped me dial in. Love to hear it. Totes. Love to hear it. Rebin. Rebin, nothing on this, to be honest with you. Smaller time frame. Yeah. I saw it try to run up. Maybe about 577. NKLA. Low volume. I know these EV plays. Overall stock. This overall stock is very bearish. Right, look. Let's go to the daily. Very, very bearish. You do not want to be trading something like this, right? This is coming from a day trading perspective. Swing trading is a little bit different approach. I don't do swing trading like properly. My main focus is day trading. But downtrend break, maybe. I would say your safest entries on this are definitely above 0.956. So if you get a close above 0.956, then I would say yes, there's a high probability that there's a possible reversal incoming, because although it's in a downtrend, right, we saw in the larger time frame, we now know that there is a strong move to the upside like this. Candle body closes above this resistance like that. We now can see that there is some bullish momentum. We now see that there is a high probability closing above here to push to the upside. All right, so 0.956 is only an entry. If you're entering below, that is not correct. You needs to close above 0.9560 to enter. All right, so you have to wait, put an alert or whatever. You can right click on this, create alert, and so on. That's it. UPC extremely bearish, sold off news, down 16%. I would just cut it if you're in it. Yo, what up, Zach McCarthy, bro? What up, what up, what up? OGEN. OGEN. I like OGN. It's holding well. I would say best entries, I'm going to watch it for Discord entries today, would probably be above 0.6. Breaks above this should continue to go up. Should continue to go up. Snapchat. I did this earlier. Snapchat here. These are your levels. These are your key levels. Snap key levels. Yeah, key levels above that. $13 looks great. I love to tell how show tiger trading for anyone who's dubbed in the bubble. Invest a 3-month trial. That is correct. Invest in, not even the trial. Get the membership. Trust me, when you're in the Discord, you will not want to leave. You can read all the reviews. VLY, what's happening with this? Extremely low volume. Nothing on this. Maybe a break of this high. You could look for an entry above 1045. Then you have room to 1110. But yeah, not my kind of chart. No volume. Difficult to trade. Something like this. NVVE. No worries, Don. John, I got you. NVVE. I don't like this. Huge pump and dump. Straight up, straight down. I would say if you have to take an entry above 470. So wait for 470 break like this to take the entry. Yeah, 470, then like room to like at least $5. So NVV, wait for 470 break to enter. All right, 470 break looks good. Nvidia. Everyone who's posted a question, I see it. Please just bear with me. All right, I see it. I see it. I see it. You have a daily gap fill on here. I would only take entries above 129. Anything below, I wouldn't take it. MYNZ, this one was extremely bearish when I last saw it. 16% up. Today, is it running? Yeah, I mean, it's pushing up. So, this is a gap fill. What is this? First split. There's no way it's all-time high. Yeah, I was about to say. So, what I would say is these are your next key levels. We could just mark it off like this. I like to use the 4 hours. So, just the key levels are where there's been a big price move to the downside for this case. So around here like this. So I would just use these levels, then you can go to a smaller time frame, let's say the 4 hour. So yeah, we have 960, then 11 or 1240, sorry. So here we go. So MYNZ key levels. Overall chart is very bullish. So it looks good. KTTA. This was running pre-market. No, that's right here. KTTA looks good. Is it close above VWAP? Yeah, close above VWAP. I would definitely look for an entry on this right now. Make sure you have a stop loss and also have a target in mind. Please do it. All right. Should be clear what to do. So if you enter now, have your 5% target, 5% stop loss. Let's say you enter here. You've entered here. You're, let's say 10%. So 10% target here. This is just rough. 390. 10% stop loss from here, let's say here, 319, right there. So that's your game plan. Your game plan is you're either selling here or here. If it hits 320, you are selling it. If it hits 390, you can sell, right? Target, stop loss, target, stop loss. High probability to go up. Why? We're in an uptrend. We've closed above VWAP. High probability to go up, broken these highs to continue to go up. If you want to have a 5% target, you can. If you want to have a 5% stop loss, you can. 20% target, whatever you decide. Just give me a very basic way to trade this. Good morning, good morning, good morning. A bit lost here. Doesn't he already out earnings good? Single month. Okay, yeah, AD, never had patience before. Hi, Oklo. OKLO is pushing up. Yeah, that's my prediction on Oklo. I expect it to continue to go up. Broke above resistance. Retest to go up. Cool. TEM, bullish chart. These are your key levels. Looks great. Let me just move this up here to this. There you go. These are your key levels for. These are your key levels for TEM. This is a very bullish chart. I literally gave it here to someone in the Discord at like $50. This is very bullish as well. Very bullish. Obviously AI theme, TEM AI, Tempest AI. I'm assuming that's AI. Lays looks good. Yeah, Lays expected to break out. Just need some volume. I don't really like these candles here. Needs push to the upside. We need volume to the upside. BTC, APLD, they all run together, so they'll look the same charts. Bitcoin's here, needs to recover 100k, to be honest. Yeah, right now it's in a bearish trend, talking on the daily time frame. So it needs to break that downtrend to push to the upside. Hollow, everybody loves hollow. Hollow. Here is your hollow chart. I did a trade breakdown on this morning. It did run yesterday, which was nice, but yeah, nothing exciting. Needs 175. Wait for 175 break to enter. All right. Above 175, you can look for an entry. Anything below, don't care. ACET 14%. Above 121, you can look for an entry. Anything below, wouldn't touch it. Yeah, or above VWAP, you could try it. CLDI, did this reverse or still ranging? CLDI, yeah, these are your key levels for CLDI. 163, 222. QBTS. Everybody like upstream. QBTS is needing to break above the downtrend. So QBTS needs downtrend break. AGL. Let's see if we can get a bullish trend on this. AGL. Try and do something like that. Just a rough, quick chart. It's okay. I mean, that's not my kind of style of trade, but I guess you could say same triangle. AGL ascending triangle. Okay, guys, let's like up the stream. We have 50 people in here, or 107 people, and we have 70 likes. I know everybody can do better. Thank you. Market open interesting. Yes, I know. INTC very bullish, expecting this to break to the upside. Just a very slow play. Looks great. MGOL, what's happening here? MGOL, we are pushing to the upside. Just overall chart is extremely bearish. I don't like trading something like this. It's a huge downtrend. Not the play to look at, in my opinion. SFHG, I don't know, it's coming down right now. I wouldn't even use this falling wedge. I would just use a downtrend for now. Yeah, nothing. Just down. KTTA here. So here we are. This is the chart. 320 stop loss, 390 target. Lays, went over Lays. Thanks, you're a charting beast. STSS, what's happening? STSS, we have extremely bearish chart again. I don't know what people are looking at on this. I don't play these 52-week low, all these kind of crap plays, because I'm trying to play a stock that has a high probability of going up. This one does not, due to the overall trend. Right, so this is STSS, needs 0.4900 break to enter. All right, anything below, do not care. STSS, done that one. ORKT, a lot of people are talking about this one for some reason. Above 185, you can look for an entry. Anything below, no entry. So ORKT needs 185, break above. So what that means when I say it needs to break above, it needs the candle body to close above. Whichever time frame you can choose, I suggest using the 4 hour, or if you want to use the 5 minute, you can. There's your candle body. Here's your wick. If the candle body closes above like this, you can take the trade. If the candle body doesn't close above and it's rejected like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times, then you don't take the trade. Candle body must close above. It can be like this or like this. As long as it closes above, that is your cue to enter. Right, I've caught up to everyone. Wow, very quick. RR still bullish, expecting to go up. Overall trend, very nice. Looks good, looks good, looks good, looks good. AI theme, I like it. I like it, I like it, I like it. All right. KTTA here. KTTA is right here. Here it is. 320, 390. Here. 3.2. 3.9. This is how you trade it. Like this. Right, which stocks do I see today? CGCs, cooking nice. ACBs, chilling. ACB put it up. CPIX looks good, above 427. Just remember that. So this is definitely a play to watch. CPIX, wait for 427 break above to enter. All right, above 427 would be definitely nice entries. BBAI is very good to watch this. Here, breakout, continuation to the upside, up, up, up. INTC is right here, falling wedge. Falling wedge, demand zone, holding psychological level, should continue to go up. Very slow play though. Needs some kind of big news to get going. Overall chart is bullish though. SFHG still in the bearish trend. I would say here's your demand zone. Last red candle for the major move to the upside, so we can use this. I think that what's going to happen is it's going to pull back to around this level and then probably reverse. They usually do that unless they drop an offering in the next few minutes or some crap, which they probably, you know, just keep that on watch. SFHG heading to demand zone. Heading to demand zone. Demand zone, demand zone. Guys, this is the only link to the Discord, okay? The Discord, we teach you, I show you how I trade. I show you how to draw the lines. You can see all of that. It's in the seminars. Everything that I'm doing here is taught in the Discord. The live alerts are there with the stop loss targets, swing trades. All the fun stuff are in there. Twitter, I just share the charts. FLGC. Just because I share charts on Twitter, 99% of the time, I'm not in it. Actually, 100% of the time, I never post a chart that I'm in on Twitter unless it's already gone and ran and hit our first target. Ah, nice. Thank you. Thanks, Lux. Here you go. $1 maybe, above $1. Neg. So there's the link if you want to join. Link's right there. Neg. Oh no, it was cannabis. Nope. 5, 6. Nothing on this. Ignore this one. Neg, wait for 0.56. Wait for 0. All right, wait for 0.56 break to enter on neg. That's it. Okay, any other plays I see worth entering? SFHE, no. Lays, no. Fubo, no. OGEN looks fantastic. I would take an impulse entry, meaning it doesn't have to close above. I would take an entry above 0.6. So that means if this candle's moving, let's say this candle here is this thing here. We are moving. As soon as that breaks, you take the trade to push to the upside. Easy, cool. OPTT is breaking and maybe retesting here on this 0.8 level. So break, retest, push up. We'll see what it does do. SXTP coming down, no good. ASST just chilling. I would only look for entries above VWAP. The VWAP's here, wait for it to close above to take any entries. All right, guys, I'm going to head into Discord. Discord members, I will see you in 20 minutes. I've just got to sort out a few things and then I will see you there. Make sure to like up the stream, subscribe if you haven't. It goes a long way. All right, I will see you guys in the Discord. Twitter guys, I'll share some chart setups throughout the day best I can, but my first hour is focused on the Discord. Okay, so I'll see you guys then. Have a great day. Peace.